So, welcome back po ulit sa aking YouTube channel. So, for today's video guys, meron na naman po akong share po sa inyo na bagong website po. So, sa website po na to guys, pwede po tayo makapag-trade ng stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, and marami pa pong iba. So, bali yung website na share ko po sa inyo ngayon is ito pong si Derib. So, yung link po na ito guys is nasa comment section po natin. So, pakivisit na lang po. So si Derib guys is a global leader in online trading for more than 25 years po. So si Derib guys is pwede po tayo dito makapag-access ng wide range of market. So including forex, so tulad po na sabi ko po sa inyo kanina, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. So all through CFDs and option designed for flexible trading. So with decade of experience po, so si Derib is built up po siya guys ng reputation for being regulated, secure, and reliable po sa mga traders worldwide. And yung best part po nito si Derib po guys is designed po for everyone. So mapa newbie man or mapa experienced trader. And yung kinagandahan guys sa website po nila is user friendly po sila and designed for a seamless experience. So dito guys available na po yung platform po nila sa iba't ibang device. So pwede po tayo guys makapag-trade anytime and anywhere po. Ibig sabihin yun guys, so pwede po tayo mag-trade using computer or mobile phone po natin. So before po tayo guys mag-start, so make sure lang guys na i-follow po natin yung mga social media account po nila para once magkaroon po sila guys ng update is ma-notify po agad tayo. So, ayun guys, bali ito po yung YouTube po nila. So, meron na po sila guys almost 50,000 na subscribers. Then, yung Instagram po nila. So, meron na po sila guys 122,000 na followers po. And sa Twitter naman nila guys, so meron na po silang 30,000. And sa Twitter naman nila guys, so meron na po silang 32,000 na followers. And ayan guys, yung link ay in po nila. And ayan guys, may kita po natin sa may baba. So meron na po sila guys large number of reviews sa Trustpilot. So sa mga hindi po guys nakakalam kung ano po yung Trustpilot, so si Trustpilot is a platform where real users post reviews to help others check if the company is trustworthy. And currently sa may ayan website guys ng Derib, so meron po sila guys 4.4 out of 5 na ratings po dito, which shows that customers generally have very positive experience dito guys sa Derib. Then based po dito guys sa website po nila, so they already have over 30 million customers across the world or worldwide po, which generating more than $650 billion in monthly trading volume. Then sa Derib guys has been established since 1999 po. So, giving them decades of experience in the trading industry. And dito guys, may kita po natin na meron po sila mga award po dito. So, as you can see, ayan, Most Trusted Broker, ayan, 2024, Best Customer Service Global. So, award siya guys ng 2024. Then, Finance Magnates 2024, bali, Broker of the Year po sila. And yung latest lang po is yung Best Trading Experience, which is in award po guys ngayong taon po na to 2025. So tulad guys ng nabanggit ko po sa inyo kanina, so pwede po tayo makapag-trade ng forex, stocks, commodities, and even crypto is meron din po dito guys kay Derib. Na kung saan guys yung crypto is available lang siya guys sa mga centralized wallet. For example na lang guys Binance, Bybit, BingX, at marami pa pong iba. Then as you can see, available po siya guys dito po kay Derib na kung saan makes accessible sa mga users po dito guys kay Derib. And one of the best part dito guys is pwede po tayo makapag-trade directly gamit po guys yung mga mobile phone po natin kung sakaling wala man tayo guys mga PC or desktop po. Then yung kinagandahan lang dito guys is meron po silang si trader na kung saan pwede po tayo mag-copy trade sa mga season trader po dito. So perfect to guys sa mga beginners na gustong matuto or makapag-earn through top performing strategies or mga top trader po dito. Pero syempre, kahit mag-copy trade po tayo, so meron pa din yan guys, risk. And as you can see guys, ayan, Derib also brings full strength of Derib MT5 na kung saan is nagbibigay po sila guys ng 24 hours trading, so optimized payout and stop loss, so functionality to help provide protection from major downside po guys ng market, and the ability to automate your trading strategies po. Syempre, ayan, they offer quick deposit, fast withdrawal, and meron po sila guys more than 60 plus payments option globally or worldwide, ensuring your money is always accessible once na kailangan po natin guys ilabas. And if you're ready to experience a smarter and more flexible way to trade, so try po natin guys explore ito pong si Derib, and try natin guys yung mga features dito po sa platform po na to. So para makapag-register guys, so sa may upper right po, so may makita po tayo ditong open account. So dito guys, pwede po tayo mag-register using Google or email, Facebook, and Apple ID po or Apple account. So after natin guys mag-register, so click po natin guys ito pong reel, so may upper right. Ayan, then pili lang kayo guys ng currency, so for example USD. Then dito guys, ilagay nyo lang po yung personal details nyo po, employment details, address details, then i-check nyo lang guys yung terms of use, and i-complete nyo na po guys yung mga details po dito. Then after nyan guys, so pwede na po kayo makapag-trade dito po guys kay Derib. So as you can see guys, sa may demo, so meron po silang $10,000 po dito. So yung funds na yan guys, so pwede po natin yan magamit pang practice trading dito po guys kay Derib. So bali yung funds na yan guys, so bali hindi po yan totoo. So parang virtual money lang yan guys, para magamit po natin pang practice dito po sa platform. And kung trip nyo naman guys mag-trade using real funds, so pwede po kayo guys mag-deposit. So sa pag-deposit naman guys, meron po sila guys 60 plus payments available na way po dito para makapag-deposit po tayo. So meron po silang Visa, Mastercard, ayan, so meron din po silang online banking, then mobile payment, e-wallet, ayan, cryptocurrency, off-ramp, voucher, then meron din po sila guys P2P or Derib P2P. So for example na lang guys, USDT TRC20, so punta lang kayo guys sa my deposit, then select nyo lang guys yung USDT TRC20 wallet address. So pwede po kayo guys gumamit ng kahit anong crypto wallet, so for example na lang po guys Binance. So click nyo lang guys yung send sa may Binance, then syempre piliin po natin yung USDT TRC20, and after send, so mag-wait na lang po tayo guys ng mga around 5 to 30 minutes para ma-receive po dito po guys sa account po natin kay Derib. Pero sa video po natin guys is demo account lang po or demo funds lang guys yung gagamitin po natin. So para mapakita ko lang din po sa inyo guys kung paano guys nag-work yung trading dito po guys kay Derib. So ngayon guys, proceed na po tayo sa trading. So click lang natin guys ito pong option trading, then pili lang kayo dito guys. So syempre Derib trading, so dito guys sa may upper left, so makikita po natin dito yung parang currency or yung ito-trade po natin. So for example na lang guys, ito pong ayan, cryptocurrency, then BTC to USD. So for example na lang guys, based po sa observation nyo is tataas po yung price ng BTC. So pwede nyo po guys i-click ito pong up. And for example naman guys, observation nyo po or based sa indicator na nakita nyo po is bababa po yung price ng BTC, so click nyo po itong down. So parang yung up, ayan po guys yung buy or long, and yung down is yung sell or short po. Then meron po sila guys multiplier po dito, so parang yung multiplier is nagsiserve po guys as leverage. So syempre mas mataas na multiplier, so mas malaki po guys yung risk, pero malaki din po guys yung reward. So parang high risk or high reward. And sa may stake, so balayan po guys yung amount na ito trade po natin dito. So sa may take profit, so once na nag-set po tayo dyan guys ng price, and once na tumaas po guys yung price nung tina-trade po natin, so automatic po yan guys na take profit. So same po guys sa may stop loss. So for example na lang guys, ayan, mag-stake po tayo ng 100 USD or magte-trade tayo guys ng 100 USD, and sa multiplier naman guys, yung pinaka mababa po nila is times 50, so 100 tayo since na demo lang naman to. Then based sa akin guys sa chart, so tataas guys yung presyo ng BTC, so i-click ko po itong up. So ayun guys, makikita po natin sa may, ayan, baba sa may left, so may kita po tayo ditong total P&L. So sure sa guys, ayan, total loss pa po tayo, so negative $5 na po tayo dito. So as you can see guys, ayan, talo na po tayo ng $8.7 po dito. So sa case ko po guys, i-close ko na po siya kasi medyo mataas-taas na po yung loss po natin dito. Ayan. So ayun guys, pwede pala tayo dito mag multiple orders po. So kayo po guys bahala kung ilang trades po yung gagawin nyo po. So as you can see guys, talo po yung isang trade po natin, yung isa po is plus $4 na profit. Then for example guys, gusto nyo na po ilabas yung funds nyo po dito, so same lang guys sa deposit. So kung ano po yung available na deposit po nila, so ganun din po guys yung available na mga way para makapag withdraw po tayo dito. So kung na-deposit kayo using USDT TRC20, so pwede po kayo guys mag-withdraw using USDT TRC20 wallet din po or address. So ayan guys, ganyan po kataas yung risk. So talo na agad tayo guys kung sa totoong pera to, so nasa almost 500 pesos na po yan. So bago tayo guys magtapos po sa ating video, so disclaimer lang guys, so please take note that the product offered on their website, including CFDs, are complex derivative products that carry a significant risk of potential loss. So you should consider whether you understand how this product works and whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. And this video guys is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice po. And syempre, always do your own research, consider your financial situation before trading. So kung baguhan po tayo, it's highly recommend to practice using demo account first. So results may vary and past performance does not guarantee future result po. So trading condition, products, and platform may differ depending on your country of residence. So for more information guys, so paki-visit na lang po ng website ni Deribs.